right of the grid you know you can find hexes in boxes. However, you can also steal them from enemies. If you open your map in the game, you will see these symbols that look like hexes. These symbols means that an enemy is carrying a hex at the moment. Also, if you pick up a hex, this symbol is visible for your enemies. So be prepared, enemies hunting for you if you carry an epic hex. In the next clip you will see how I steal an epic hex from an enemy and find a free extractor as quickly as possible. This clip will show you how important it is to improve your flying abilities to be able to fly throughout the map to find free extractors.